Are you looking for a way to generate multiple sources of income? Do you want to build a successful business model with multiple streams of revenue? If so, then you'll want to watch this video before doing anything. Hey everyone, people often are told advice to diversify their income and build multiple streams of it. But before you do, there are several important steps you should take to make sure you have a successful plan of action. In this video, we'll teach you exactly how to create multiple income streams and what to do before you get started. So, let's get started. The risks. Building multiple income streams can seem like a great way to ensure financial security and success, but it can be quite dangerous to pursue before establishing a stable income source. There are several risks involved with building multiple income streams before having one stable source of income. Firstly, having multiple income streams can lead to a lack of focus. It can be difficult to focus on multiple income streams at once, particularly if they require different skills and focuses. It's important to focus on one income stream at a time and commit to it before branching out and diversifying your income. This will ensure that you have a steady foundation to build on and that you don't become overwhelmed by trying to manage multiple income streams simultaneously. Secondly, having multiple income streams can lead to financial instability. While having multiple income streams can lead to greater financial security, it can also be a source of financial instability. When establishing multiple income streams, it's important to recognize that not all of them will bring in the same amount of money or be as reliable as your one stable source of income. This can lead to a situation where you have a few income streams that aren't steady, resulting in a lack of financial stability. Automation. So now that you have learned what not to do, here are some things you should do before building multiple income streams. The first thing is automating your job or business. When it comes to automating your job or business, there are a variety of different tasks that can be automated. These include accounting and financial processes such as invoicing clients, tracking expenses, and managing payments. Email management, such as setting up email automation sequences and creating customer segmentation lists. Customer service processes, such as responding to customer inquiries and complaints in an efficient manner. Marketing efforts, like social media scheduling, content creation and distribution, A/B testing campaigns, and analyzing data from various marketing channels. Starting to automate your work can be an intimidating process, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips for getting started. 1. Identify the tasks that can be automated. The first step is to identify which tasks you want to automate. Think about what process you find yourself doing over and over again, and which ones are taking up a lot of your time. Consider how automation could help streamline these processes and make them more efficient. 2. Research automation tools. Once you've identified the tasks that can be automated, start researching the different automation tools available on the market today. Look for ones that fit your need and budget, as well as those with good customer reviews and testimonials from other users who have had success with the tool or platform in question. 3. Test out free trials. Many automation tools offer free trials so you can test out their features before investing in a long-term subscription plan or buying software outright. Take advantage of this opportunity to set up a few basic automations and get comfortable with using the tool or platform before committing to a purchase decision or signing up for a subscription plan. Tracking. In order to successfully manage multiple income streams, it is important to have a system in place for tracking your income before you start managing them. This system should include your current source of income, as well as any new ones that you may be interested in pursuing. Having this information at your fingertips will allow you to make informed decisions about which income streams are most profitable and which ones need more attention or investment. Here are some tips for setting up an effective system for tracking your multiple income streams. 1. List out all of your current and potential future sources of income. Start by making a list of all the different sources of income that you currently have or might be interested in pursuing in the future. This could include things like freelance work, affiliate commissions, investments, and other businesses you own or are involved with. 2. Create spreadsheets or use software programs to track data. Once you've listed out all the different sources of income, create spreadsheets or use software programs to track key metrics such as revenue, expenses, profits, etc. for each source. Make sure to keep these spreadsheets updated regularly so that the information remains accurate and useful when it comes time to analyze trends and identify areas where changes need to be made in order for success with multiple streams of revenue. 3. Set goals and objectives. Setting specific goals and objectives can help ensure that you stay focused on achieving financial success with multiple streams of revenue over time, rather than becoming overwhelmed by trying too many things at once without any direction or strategy behind them. Consider what types of returns, in terms of money or other resources, each individual stream needs to generate before investing additional time into expanding it further down the line. 4. Track progress on a regular basis. Finally, make sure to track progress against those goals regularly so that adjustments can be made if necessary along the way in order to ensure maximum efficiency with managing multiple streams at once. Managing yourself. Managing your time and resources is important before building multiple income streams. There are several strategies you can use to ensure that your time and resources are being used as efficiently as possible. 1. Create a schedule. Create a detailed schedule for yourself so that you can prioritize tasks and set deadlines for each income stream. This will help to ensure that all of your streams have the attention they need in order to succeed and grow over time. 2. Delegate tasks when possible. Consider delegating some of the tasks associated with managing multiple income streams to free up more of your time for other important activities or projects. Consider hiring freelancers or contractors on an as-needed basis, or outsource work through online platforms like Upwork or Fiverr if needed. 3. Track progress regularly. Finally, tracking progress on a regular basis will help to keep you on track and ensure that your multiple income streams are generating the desired returns. Set up systems for tracking key metrics such as revenue, expenses, profits, etc., so that you can monitor trends and identify areas where changes need to be made in order to optimize performance. By following these steps, you will be able to ensure that your time and resources are being used as efficiently as possible when managing multiple streams of income. This will enable you to maximize success with each individual stream over time. In conclusion, building multiple income streams can be a great way to generate financial security and success. However, it is important to recognize the potential risks involved with attempting to do this before having one stable source of income. Taking the time to set up systems for automation, tracking your income streams, and managing your time and resources effectively are all key steps in ensuring that you have a successful business model when it comes to multiple streams of revenue. What are your thoughts on building multiple sources of income? How many sources do you currently have? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, if you're new to this channel, we strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. That way, you'll get notified as soon as we publish a new video. See you in the next one.